Hey guys, thanks for taking a look at my video. My name's Steven. I want to introduce you to Level Rewards, and I want to introduce you how you can use this company to start making commissions into your PayPal bank account, or you can also get Amazon gift cards. First off, I want to go ahead and log into my account so you guys can take a look at what we got here. First off, let me explain what Level Rewards is. Level Rewards is a level-based incentive company. They're a company that brings offers from different companies to try out their products, their services, and they are trying to get customers to come in and end up keeping the service or end up getting, like this one here, life insurance. The whole point of this company is so that you guys can come in, try out these offers, and then you can start referring others to also try out these offers. It's a very simple process, and you can make some pretty good money at it if you know what you're doing and you take the time to train on it. I want to go to my status page and show you what mine looks like. I want to explain to you how the levels works and how the offers work. So as you can see here, I started in 2017, and you can see each offer has a certain credit value. So the way the credit value works is they require that you try out the offers. The offers are anywhere from 1 to 7 days up to 30 days, the trials. At the time that I did this one was abcmouse.com. I got 0.75 credit. It was a 30-day trial that allowed my son to test out the product, that allowed him to do learning, and I still have this product to this day. I pay for this service on a monthly basis because it's something that helps him, and it helps us to keep him learning, and he enjoys doing it. So if you look right here, I'm currently on level 35, which allows me to earn up to $175 per person that I get to the same level as me. So as you can see, guys, I've done quite a few offers over the last 2 years. This is my most recent offers. Every once in a while, you'll get one of these ones where they will revoke your credit. That's just how some of them work. There's nothing that I can really do about it. I just keep trying different offers until I get to the point where I want to be. So currently I'm at $175 per referral, guys. This is the offers page. So one thing I want to show you for a new person coming into this site and getting started, if you hit level 5 on your first day within 24 hours, Level Rewards is going to up your levels to level 6. So that's going to give you an opportunity to earn $30 a person that comes in and throws the offers that you do. Currently, we are promoting within my team these free calls that they have going on right now. Take a look at these. These are offers where you can call the people and you show genuine interest in the product, and then once you hit a certain amount of time, you can disconnect the call, and then you're going to get granted credit for it. You know, this one here is worth 1 credit. You call the phone number that's available. You talk to the person that's on the phone line for 1 minute, 2, 3 minutes. Well, actually, it's about 3 minutes tops. I recommend you go to about 3.5 minutes to make sure you get the full value of the credit. So imagine if you could go on here, you complete this offer yourself, and then you were able to get 25 to 30 people to sign up underneath you by promoting on different areas, and they also get to level 1. So that's going to get you $5 for every person that completes at least 1 credit. Imagine if you got somebody to come in and you're at level 5 and you were able to get them to come in and level up to level 5 under you. That's $25 in your pocket. There's different offers in here you can complete. There's ones that are free and there's ones that are not free. Some of these ones charge $1 to your credit card. That's just to show that you're an active person, that it verifies you're genuinely interested in the item. You know, like here we got GoDaddy.com. It's a $4.99 fee. You get to buy your own domain. Apple Music, free trial. You know, you just look at the offers, you see the credit values, and you can see how it works. This is a really great opportunity if you're looking to put some cash into your pocket. You can pay to your PayPal, you can pay to your bank account, just whatever your option you want to choose from. Anybody that I have that joins my team, I like to offer a cash bonus for you taking the time to make these phone calls and you're taking the time to level yourself up. If you reach level 5 or 6 within the 24 hours, I give you a kickback bonus of $10 to your PayPal account. Just thank you for doing this and allowing me to make money and allowing you to make money too. Not many people out there will offer that kind of bonus to people, so I just wanted to throw that out there, guys. You know, there's a lot of good offers in here that you can promote that are beneficial. You know, Proactive, there's a discount on it for buying from this site. And then you're going to get level 4 credits. So if you get somebody that has an acne problem, you know, you can do the Proactive Essentials, help them get signed up for it. And then not only do they get the discount on it, you're also getting paid $20 for helping them. It's basically just whatever you guys want to do with the offers you want to try, you know. The current ones are the free calls, so let me show you the total on these. Add up offer credits. So this is the life insurance one. Termite inspection. Cable TV and internet services, carpet and tile, electrician, health insurance 2, HVAC, garage door, final expenses, home remodeling, home security, home warranty, housekeeping. You know, these are all the ones that you guys can make phone calls to and get people to do the same thing, and you get paid to do it. So I'm just adding all these to it just to show you what levels you can get by making these phone calls. Keep in mind some of these may not be available in all areas, but most of them are. So that's all the calls that are available for you to call and get leveled up. So you see right here, number of offers available, 11.90. So that's $5 per level. That's $55 that you can earn off one person if you can get them to complete these call offers. You know, once you get a couple of people to level up, you can throw them a couple of dollars and help them get to do these other offers. Public seat, pay $1 for the trial, get to level 2. You offer them the $1, and then you get paid 10. Same thing on this one. This one's a great offer. I still have this one. Unlimited movies and shows. It's a free trial. They charge $1 to your credit card, and then it's $1 one level, which gives you $5. It's all on what you guys want to do with it. I mean, you can make money with it. You can promote these offers. You know, you can get paid instantly. They typically take 2 to 3 hours once you cash out. You know, you can promote this on different things of social media, Craigslist. I'm willing to help you if you are wanting to get started. You know, I could show you how to promote this on Craigslist. I could show you how to promote this on Facebook. You can even promote it on Instagram, Snapchat. Best way to also do is share word of mouth with your family and friends. This would allow you to help your friends and family. Help you earn money and help them earn money. I want to thank you guys for checking out my video. I look forward to seeing anybody that wants to get started with this. All you need to do is just reply to the video whether you've seen it on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Just drop me a note and I'll get with you guys and help you guys get it figured out. Thanks for watching and you guys have a great day.